फायनल रिपोर्ट, चार्जशीट, दोषारोपपत्र, अंतिम अहवाल. A detailed report of investigation prepared by investigating officer and submitted, forwarded, filed, dakhal by officer in charge of police station, and it is submitted, forwarded, dakhal before the Honorable Judicial Magistrate. In final report, charge sheet, there is FR. First document is FR. The first information report. FR contains the date of incidents, date of registration of FR, date and time of registration of FR, date of incidents, date and time of incidents, date and time of information received at police station, the name of police station, CR number, FR number, year of registration, means that year. Then the acts and sections applied. After that, name of informant, address of informant complainant, name and address of accused. If there is any identification description is given, then of accused. Also the statement, the hakikat, the incident, narration of incident, description of incident, the sign or thumb of informant complainant, and sign of officer in charge of police station. After FIR, investigation starts. If the accused person is arrested, then atkecha namuna. After that, if any weapon or article is seized from him, then the receipt of that, muddemal pavti, angazadti, and for all these there must be witnesses. So panchanama, routine medical checkup of accused person, remand papers, remand report, and remand order by the Honorable Magistrate or the competent court. Medical examination of victim, CDR reports. If there are involvements of weapon or anything else, any article, then न्याय सहायक वैज्ञानिक प्रयोगशाला report, which is CA report. If there is need to determine the age, then age determination report. Crime detail form. Crime detail form contains the ghatnasthal panchanama, the spot report, report made on spot in front of witnesses. It contains map of the place, directions of the place, photographs of the place. The photographs need to be supported by 65B certificate, statement of witnesses of the incident. There is also another document, is another paper prepared by the officers, is half sheet. Half sheet is brief information of the case. It contains date and time of incident, FR number, police station. After that, the hakikat, description of the incident, acts and sections, name of victim, name of accused, name of informant complainant, witness's name. The report is prepared by whom? That is tapasi amaltar, investigation officer, and dakhal karnara adhikari, that is officer in charge of police station. During investigation, if it appears to the investigating officer or the officer in charge of police station that no offense has been committed, only non-cognizable offense has been committed, or offense has been committed but the opinion of the investigating officer or the officer in charge of police station is there are no sufficient ground for investigation, or there is no sufficient evidence for sending someone for trial, or accused person is not known or cannot be arrested and sent for trial, In that case, a request has to be made to the Honorable Judicial Magistrate to classify and issue an appropriate summary of his order. That is, summary A, true, undetected. There is no clue whatsoever about the culprit or property. There is no sufficient evidence to send someone for the trial. Summary B, maliciously false. Upon acceptance of report by Honorable Judicial Magistrate, accused person is discharged. Summary C, neither true nor false. The offense is registered being mistake of fact or is of civil nature. Another summary is non-cognizable. If in investigation it appears that non-cognizable offense has been committed. As final report, chargesheet, dosharopatra, antim ahwal prepared, if it appears that the offense is to be exclusively triable by the Honorable Court of Sessions, then it is committed to the Honorable Court of Sessions. This process is commitment of case to the Court of Sessions when exclusively triable by it. Chargesheet is submitted before the Judicial Magistrate. Accused person receives a copy of chargesheet, and when the hearing or the date for the commitment of case is, the accused person remain present before the Honorable Court. He gives a purshish stating that the accused person has received a copy of chargesheet. Second point is, he will remain present before the Honorable Sessions Court for the trial. Upon submitting this and after signing the memorandum or the form, the case is committed to the Honorable Court of Sessions, and the first date for the trial before the Court of Sessions is given. No arrested person shall be detained for more than 24 hours. If for the investigation purpose the detention or custody is necessary beyond period of 24 hours, then there is procedure regarding it. The arrested person, the detained person, will be transmitted before the Honorable Judicial Magistrate. Also, the investigation paper will be forwarded before the Honorable Judicial Magistrate. The investigating officer, who is not below the rank of sub-inspector, or the officer in charge of police station, will describe the incident, will submit before the Honorable Judicial Magistrate that why the custody is necessary of that the accused person. Also, they will state acts and sections which are applicable. Advocate of accused will make submissions on behalf of accused as instructions given by accused, as accused was not present at spot, or else accused is not involved in crime, or else the accused custody is not necessary for further investigation. There is no article or weapon need to recover from him, so interrogation is not necessary of accused. So police custody may be denied. Judicial Magistrate, after hearing the submissions, as he thinks fit, can authorize the detention of the accused for a term not extending 15 days. If according to the submissions, Judicial Magistrate thinks that the police custody or remand is not necessary, then the Judicial Magistrate can order magistrate custody remand for the accused. समान न्याय व कायदेविषयक मोफत सहाय्य. भारतीय संविधानाच्या अनुच्छेद 39 क नुसार राज्य हे राज्यामध्ये समान न्यायासाठी कायद्याची यंत्रणा राबवत असताना समान न्यायाच्या संधीच्या तत्वावर न्यायाची अभिवृद्धी होईल याची सुनिश्चिती करेल. आर्थिक तसेच इतर निसमर्थतेमुळे कोणताही नागरिक हा न्यायापासून वंचित राहणार नाही याची खातरजमा करेल. त्यासाठी त्यास विविध पर्यायांद्वारे, विविध योजनांद्वारे सहाय्य करेल. जिल्हा तसेच तालुका न्यायालयाच्या आवारात असलेल्या विधी सेवा प्राधिकरण येथून सहाय्य मिळेल.